In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange channels on YouTube TV so you can customize your Live tab and prioritize your favorite networks for quicker access. Let's get started. Rearranging channels is a great way to personalize your YouTube TV experience and make it easier to find the content you care about most. To begin, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Live tab, where you'll see a list of all available channels. On the web version, hover your cursor over the channel you want to move, and you'll notice a small grid icon or drag handle appear next to the channel name. Click and hold the grid icon, then drag the channel to your desired position in the list. If you're using the mobile app, press and hold the channel name until it becomes movable, then drag it to reorder it. Unfortunately, as of now, YouTube TV doesn't allow you to hide or remove channels from the list, but rearranging them ensures your most watched networks are at the top. For example, you can place premium sports channels, news networks, or family-friendly options in a more convenient spot. If you're using the app on a Fire Stick, Roku, or Smart TV, the process may vary slightly depending on the device. In such cases, use your remote to highlight the channel, look for an option to move or reorder, and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind that these changes sync across all devices linked to your account, so your customized channel order will appear no matter where you access YouTube TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope rearranging channels on YouTube TV makes your navigation smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.